I introducing now what new and what incomplete things my SDK has. i4ware SDK. Okay, here is animated things on screens or these forms. Now I go to login page and login with this. Okay, here is a welcome page, my profile page. New thing is there is a loading screen with animated GIF animation. In there, this loading page don't work some reason, and I don't know reason. And I made little bit changes to graphics, and this is now fixed like this, and there is a software name, copyrights, all rights reserved and version number. This is beta version of 1.0.0 version, but upcoming version is this, but this is it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.